6. As a dog. 6:30. What would it be? Wednesday. 6:30 Wednesday. Oh no, they see this already. Someone saw what's up tree. Tear down. Guys. Caravan is a tear off. Oh wash way. The car is still there. Me back on. Me find it two of them. So that I figure gone. Look on trees. Tree them not have no leaf. Tree them leafless. Look on road. Turn to truck. Me not even know if this a truck. I don't know. Turn to whatever this be. Look on jump from tree. Why am I say deal with me jump from tree? Terrible. And jump from. Who want jump from? Come and get jump from. I go pick them up and make drinks. And where this come from? This must be blow from somebody's house. First me I say, watch your drum still turn up, man. Drum is strong, man. Drum strong. Whether I can fix up in house. But ackee tree. Look for an easeberry tree. On a top. But my neighbor house. Look, you can see every house in our community. Up here, so. See where gully water there. See it get deeper. Up there. Look around them a tree there. Tear up. Tear up. Look on the road. Impossible. On the road. Can't pass.
Then we come to a bush there. It breaks it. Come before water was.
I'm not going further than you want to see the road and have to stay.
Going to the house, but how we find that bush is good.
Community plum tree. Mash up. Mash right up. So these are where the houses we're seeing from up top. So most of them, look them on, you can see as far as back to over there. Mad thing. Oh, I see a green shop there already, see for you. When the gully come down, it comes right here at this point. You see all of this black up right here, so look on it like wire tear down and bare things. So this is where gully come out. Catch a big old tree there. You see that? Look on the house over there, so gone. And bare things. Morning, Kwan.
Why?
Look on the road.
You
You deep in it?
what? Every drop in this in the food.
Coffee lane no good again.
Yeah. So you see.
Then who are going to come in and fix this? Can I go dump up back? I forgot dump up back, you know?
Yeah, and the thing about the whole island space also.
Jesus,
You understand?
All the pipe wire them bust
What
out.
the hell? Sir. You see we can walk here. No one this. Yes,
Terrible, man.
no sir, I wicked this is I mean there how many years?
I don't mean I say.
Yes. At first it will be like this.
A tree slow, you know, man. So it turn up one place.
Yeah, that's the thing. Because the regular standby say 2 hours.
He gone. He just blew and gone.
Yeah.
No, sir.
I said, be careful.
At least I come from the pit ahead.
Hold on from the wall.
Nobody know over this, sir. I must have gone walk.
Okay.
I just the concrete part left. I drain.
Them I now go fix you know
No.
what
All January we still a walk. You walk
Yes,
for them, I
next
said, Mr.
year,
Clark.
yeah.
There is the master now is where season that they have to.
No money never did they already plus.
Exactly. I like to look still intact.
But then they don't understand, you know.
But we couldn't what we could have done in a 1 week. We couldn't do that. We can't take up a road can have a house. We just have to weather it out. Just have to weather it out, brother.
Good or bad, you have to. The place completely different.
Yeah. Cause you can see from up off the yard, we can see where down your side.
Right down the river.
Eh, flat. Oh man, look like we can come down yourself, Mr. Clark.
Oh, yeah, man, you can.
Oh, no, sir. Every car have to park for months, you know.
Months. And walk foot.
See, all of the road up on the main.
Watch that.
Oh no, traffic can't pass, so. You would have to go, nobody can go nowhere, man.
No.
Around the south, me no want to see. Around the Berry Walk, right there.
Yeah, around the flat. Oh, yeah.
Are we road, you see that?
Yeah, it transformed the whole entire place. And I said place again.
And down auto place, they mash up.
Yeah.
All the billboard tear down. It's a shock of tear off. Okay, here. Okay, to the ground. Eh, all I hit. Yeah, I say.
Oh, them a piece of road, boy. See them? Them a piece of sitting here, dig up and wash out.
No light, no water for days.
Come on, run the road. So open my job with the car for that right. You can't tell me, you see?
No light post that they turn over there, sir.
Park gone. Park gone.
Yeah. I should have carried in the house. I like why them tear down.
Yeah, me tell you, say, the real chop iron out here, so he iron boss.
You what?
You want real chop iron out here, so boss in that too.
Morning. Oh, a restaurant right there, so.
This a disaster, yeah.
Then I what? Even a natural disaster.
Yeah, this a girl named Melissa. Nobody in here, Melissa, me not like again.
And this one, if you actually come in, you know that.
We don't want nobody in here, Melissa. Nobody in here, Melissa. Vicky, I want put two blood cleat and me find myself in a trap two blood.
No, we're not for free plate there. Good morning.
Oh, nice. Of course, I see a good thing. Stand blow, but I never see all of this.
Melissa blow me out of my nest. Here. This Windsor Heights, neighboring community in Santa Cruz. Chuck is still there. That shop right there. Roof gone. Beer things. Here strolling to Santa Cruz. Zinking the tree. This is behind Camric. Yeah, chucked on Camric Warehouse down here in Santa Cruz. Cool. What that the name? Cool Runnings or Cool whatever. The tree them tearing down.
Yeah, I got my family up here.
Oh, I church that?
So me I hear, sir.
I machete we are walk for. Yeah, then we are trying to reach.
Hey, baby. Hi. Teacher. Teacher.
Every billboard gone at Santa. Machete Chinese. Sharon Baptist that day. The mall, Santa Cruz. Some tear down, side tear down. Across the road, side of Sharon Baptist Church. Entering Santa Cruz. Damaged.
This is it.
Paint shop. First stoplight.
This is it, Lord. This is it.
Barman coconut.
This is it. I have to go see my library. If it is done. Where is that?
You see a tank, gas station. This is the other plaza your name. Lazarus Plaza. Nobody on video, sir. You're just suspecting that's video right now. Nobody ain't gonna see you. Good morning, morning. All the little shop. All the little shop. No, take a look at her with all the little shops without roof. Is the main road of Santa Cruz. Oh my God, look at it, guys. Look at it. Oh my God. Sorry, excuse me. Morning, morning. Look at the main road, guys. Mud, 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 guys. Mud. Woo. Mud. Mud. You see that? Mud. A main road is in a look market. The bus stop over there, so.
You get a bus up in man.
I feed them in water.
You can't go in there, sir. You grill no bus out.
Alright, cross the road. Look at Scotiabank. Scotiabank, this is
I feed them in water. Different.
Scotia.
Jaja.
Scotiabank.
Nobody can call Christmas. You know,
No, no Christmas.
no Christmas.
Wait down here.
How long would you walk from our house and go, sir? I can't back on, sir. Who will burn down? Come down.
Scotiabank.
What you doing when I burn down?
Main road, you know?
Eh?
Main road, up on Market Street.
When this is my brother.
You see Market Street?
Why?
Up on Main
Come
Road.
on.
Up on Main Road. Main Road, you know? Because in town there. Up on Main Road, guys.
I ain't down.
Up on
Yo,
in
look
town.
how I ain't down. I got chat, you know. On.
Up on Main Road. Main Road, this, you know? Jumping on the main. In town. Look in this lane right here. Credit Union lane.
This a cheap place gone.
So that's. See this? See that, guys? In town.
This a cheap.
Fence.
Oh.
One super center. 3 in front of it. This is gone outside. Juicy beef. Over there, so. See glass. The supermarket there. The store there. You me fashion. They have some display out there, so see how I hit the panel ground. See how I hit there. Gigabytes. And this is our next supermarket. Just one more of this. So guys, this is Mother's in Santa Cruz. Parking lot here, so. So Mother's. Look at Mother's, guys. Tree inside. Everything inside. This is Mother's, you know. Mother's open. Mother's disastrous. Melissa did this. Dirt, water, tree, everything zinc. You see? Mother's done for. Mother's all the M gone. Everything. I'll take one picture, guys. JN.
Let me see what brother. Where?
It's a supermarket in front of JN. Morrison. Fern, how are you? Fern Village. Fern Village. This is the roadway. Santa Cruz. Look there. Mud. Fern Village. A Chinese store. Top price in him. Mahmoud. Oi! Come on.
I when we start sweep, I with them let me see I wash it up. Shh. But here come the farm that's in my living.
Wait. It's a Maxi Road. I don't know what that road I am. It's a one main road. That's what it's Breadfruit tree. Every tree down. Road. This is Santa Cruz Library. Why, why? Oh, the front part, you say? Tear up. So that's the library right there. You can see the damage from the roof. Yeah. Alright, this is the main road leading up to KFC. Come on here, reverse go. This is the gas station. The gas station. Nothing over there. Nothing at all over there. Looters and shooters. This is I post I thought. This is the next plaza across the road. My name Phillips Plaza. Yeah. Alright, look at the road, guys. This is main road, you know. Main road Santa. Carry them a drive. Main road, look there. So that? See that, guys? Look there. Change road. Surface on top of road. Remember, guys, this is the main road. Santa Cruz main road.
Yeah?
Who for road? Main road. This is not, guys. Main road. See this? Put my foot there, sir. Main road. Main road. It's a KFC there. Right there, sir. D&G down there, sir. Diamond cash and carry while everybody gone. Main road. Main road. Eh? Main road. I don't know how to finish, sir. Main road. Can't go further. Main road, guys, they done. Santa, look over there, sir. How do you back there, sir? So we couldn't see what over there, sir. Can't see it now.